Welcome, Master Designers. Tonight, we're gonna draw Mysterio. From the movie Far From Home. Mysterio, recognized as a interdimensional hero from another Earth. He's on a mission to stop the elemental monsters, otherwise known as the elements of fire, earth, and water and air. I don't know how, but these monsters were the ones who took out Earth. Well, thanks to him and Spider-Man, they managed to defeat the monsters and set things right. Mysterio can actually be a rather interesting guy. Here's Mysterio's pants. There. Here's his fist. And one last thing, his cape. And finished! That is how you draw Mysterio. I hope that this guy reunites with his family real soon. I actually love this guy. He's actually quite new to me. That's all for now. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and check out which Marvel character you want me to draw next. And subscribe and reveal me which Marvel fighter you want me to draw next. Good night.